Assign true/false condition based on existing columns. I need to assign a true/false value when a condition is verified. Specifically, I have the data frame. I would need to create a new column based on the true/false values. If at least one value is true, then assign true in the new column, otherwise, if all values are false, assign false. From the example above, I should have then. I have tried with. But this assigns all true values. Could you please help me to get the right output? Many thanks.
Just do any. You have done two wrong things here. One is missed iterating through rows and second is involved call 1 in the expression. Here's what I've tried in a similar way that you've tried. A single line solution to the question would be
우리 살짝 수시원